a Saturday right now, and I decided to vlog about yung mga thoughts ko going on in my head because ang dami kong mga iniisip na iniintindi ko things that are happening sa akin lately. For a time kasi, I was like so happy. Everything's just in flow, abundance, overflowing, ganyan. And now, sabi ko, bakit itong past days parang I'm so low in energy and no motivation. Tapos parang nakatulala na lang ako, ganyan. And then medyo, hindi rin maganda yung mood ko. Ang sungit ko din. Ganyan. And then I realized, I said kanina, I was journaling, and then I said, what's different? What did I do that's different? I realized ngayon na nag-grow na yung bank account ko, mas nagiging mahigpit ako sa pera, sa akin. So, I stopped investing in myself. I stopped yung mga programs na mga ginagawa ko for myself, for self-care, ganyan. And then yung hindi rin ako nag-workout. Parang the last one was Sunday, nag-dance class ako. Pero Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, ano na ba ngayon? Saturday! Oh my God! Di ba? 1 week, wala talagang energy. I really took this time to pause kasi una, I was so sad. Kasi akala ko, tuloy-tuloy na. Hindi pala talaga ganun. Many times naman, kapag I feel down, ganyan, I feel like, oh my God, ganito na ba ako forever, ganyan. And then biglang high up. Talagang wheel of fortune pala talaga, no? Tapos nung super saya ko naman, alam nyo ba, I was like, I think I was in the restroom noon, nasa CR ako, and then I said, Lord, why is it so good? Napapaiyak ako that things are just so good in all aspects of my life. Parang yun lang talaga yung nararamdaman ko at naiisip ko, and it made me feel so blessed. And basta parang sabi ko, Lord, bakit ganito? And then, I was at the point na parang, paano if, what if hindi talaga to ganito? Parang, alam mo yun? Alam niyo ba yung limiting beliefs
Oh, that's bad. Oh, man.
that we have? Minsan talaga, ito yung naghihinder sa atin sa abundance flowing in. So, it's a good thing na nagiging aware ako of it. So, when it was like happening na, sabi ko parang, ba't parang ayaw kong tanggapin that this is normal? Na this is really happening. So, I feel like what I did was, nag-self-sabotage ako.
I'm going for more self-sabotage, train wreck.
I wasn't aware of it, pero parang napunta ako doon. Kung gaano kabilis ko siya ma-shift yung energy ko into good, ganun ko din siya kayang ma-shift sa not good.
Means something bad.
Alam niyo yun? So, the good thing is that we have the power to do that. We have that gift, we have that capacity. Pero ngayon, iniisip ko, sabi ko, ang difference sa ginawa ko last time, nung tuloy-tuloy yung joy, happiness, ganyan, tapos tuloy-tuloy rin yung pasok ng pera. It was when I was just really prioritizing myself first. Yun ang inuna ko. Sabi ko, walang makakapigil or no. Kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng baguhin, that I have to prioritize first yung mga extracurricular activities ko. Yun nga, kasi I said, these are the things that make me happy. And I know that when I am happy, everything just flows to me easily and effortlessly. Tapos, alam ko yun sinabi ko yun. But then, nung nakikita ko na nag-grow yung money ko, parang, shemay, ayoko na munang gawin yun. I-prioritize ko muna na mabayaran ko or meron ako ma-secure na money for whatever. Tapos nung ginawa ko yun, and I'm starting to think like super logically. Tapos, stinop ko yung mga activities ko that I do for myself, yung mga pinagagastos ko sa sarili ko kasi meron akong allowance. Nung tinigil ko yun, ganito yung nangyari. Damn! Which I think I should celebrate about kasi it only means that I should be making myself happy. And it should not be a bad thing. It should be a good thing. Na I have proven na that's how money flows to me. Kasi kung isipin mo, last night, nabenta ko yung second camera na binibenta ko for a price na gusto ko. Binenta ko yung G7X Mark III ng 35,000. Tapos nabayaran naman siya agad. Basta alam mo yun, ang dami ko namang blessings, things that I'm grateful for, ganyan. Pero sabi ko, why am I feeling this way? Why am I not happy? Kaya today, sabi ko, sige, wala akong ganang mag-ayos or anything kasi hindi ko nga madilat na maayos yung mata ko. But I said, I will buy the laptop na that I wanted to get para na-edit ko, natitrim ko yung mga videos ko. Although may editor naman ako na super galing. Super galing talaga ni Jude. I'm so happy. Parang super professional looking na talaga yung mga vlogs na ginagawa ko because of him. Ayun, pero may mga times na habang he's working on something, and then yung mga pwede ko namang magawa like trimmings, ganyan. Kailangan ko ng laptop for it. And then I also wanna make my own music. Wanna practice my singing. Tapos, ayun, that's what I want to use my laptop for. So, I feel like I really need it naman. Pero parang, I'm trying to invalidate. Parang, nilalabanan siguro ng utak ko na, that's just an expense. Save it up muna for ganito. The more talaga na gawin natin yun, the more ganito yung feeling natin. It's just like, I can't breathe. What's going on? Ganyan. Yun lang. So, ewan ko, nilabas ko yung makeup kit ko here, but wala naman akong gagawin. Hindi yata talaga ako magme-makeup kasi wala talaga ako sa mood. And nakita ko naman, I look fine. Thanks to Stem Cell Mystic Jig. Tapos kanina pala, before ako mag-video, sabi ko, Lord, I just keep praying, Lord, just help me every step of the way. Tulungan niyo na po ako. I don't know, I'm surrendering na, ganyan. Kasi, and I find myself scrolling too much on my phone, ganyan. Lord, bababa ko yung phone ko. Lord, help me. As in, ganun. Ganun ako ka-close kay God. Na every step of the way talaga whenever I remember. Even yung mga hinahanap ko ng mga bagay, I just say, Lord, help me find this. My angels, where are you? Ganyan. So, nag-cleanse din ako with Palo Santo. Kasi ang dami kong mga sage, ang mga smudge sticks dyan, and then this one. So, sabi ko, parang I help. Kasi, these are tools kasi that help us. Ang dami ko. So, why don't I use them? Parang pinipilit ko yung sarili kong to use my thinking brain. Tapos yun, I realized also, ako lang talaga naglilimit sa sarili ko. Like, ngayon, inisip ko, what do I really wanna do ba? Ganun yung ginawa ko nung I felt so free and light. Yung parang sabi ko, what do I really wanna do? You know, right now, what I wanna do? I wanna spend time with my kids. And I've been sitting here alone, actually even kagabi, like for hours and hours, just trying to think, Mika, think, what should you do? What are you doing wrong? Laging ganon. When right now, what I want to do is, I want to spend time with my kids. I want to go out in nature. Ganon yung gusto ko. So, anong ginagawa ko? Minsan we overcomplicate things talaga. And sometimes it's also because we don't feel like we deserve to enjoy life. I think that's it. That's what I'm working on. I'm working on that belief na i-rewire ko yung brain ko into thinking that life is meant to be enjoyed. Life is meant to be fun. Whenever I'm not having fun anymore, I'm trying to think rationally or logically about things. Doon ako nagiging ganito. So, you know what? Right now, today, ano magagawin ko? I-charge ko muna to dahil low bat na ako. And then, I'll just buy what I think I wanna buy and then just gonna treat my kids somewhere. Lalo na si kuya nangungulit siya. Gusto niya pumunta ng UP para bike or whatever. Yun na lang siguro muna kasi yung Green Hills hanggang gabi naman yun. So now, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna enjoy with my kids and I'm just gonna buy good food. Yun din talaga. Kasi when I feel like wala na akong fruits, hindi na ako nakain ng seafood, ganyan. It's so easy to make me happy naman eh. Ako lang talaga nagpapahirap sa sarili ko. And then, yeah, it's an awakening, you know? Thank you, Lord. Alam niyo kung hindi ko to vinidyohan, hindi ko marirealize. Kailangan ko talagang kinakausap yung sarili ko. When I'm just like too much in my head, thinking, scroll, look for signs, ganyan. Napapagod na ako. I'm overwhelmed. Nagiging ganun ako. Tapos bibitawan ko yung phone ko. Tapos I'll pray. Tapos mag-anap na naman ako ng gagawin ko. Ano yan? It's an ADHD thing. But, because I said, you know what? Kailangan ko to i-share kasi may mga taong makaka-relate sa akin na it's really not all good. And minsan, hindi rin natin ma-express na maayos yung sarili natin. This video, I think, is proof that when we learn to listen to ourselves, express ourselves, even talk to ourselves, minsan may makukuha talaga tayong answers to things. And then isa pa, ayan no, I wanna color my hair. It looks good on the camera, but it's actually really dry. Yan, medyo dry na talaga siya. I wanna do that, pero iniisip ko rin parang, sayang naman kung yung budget ko na ganito is mapupunta sa hair, ganyan. No, no, no. It really doesn't work like that. Hindi talaga. Whenever I do those things na pinagkakait ko sa sarili ko, it's like, I'm just not trusting God enough, you know? Parang nag-iisip lang ako, ano may pwede kong bentahin? Kailangan kong ibenta lahat ng things that I don't need, ganyan. Yun. So, I'm gonna get up and I'm just gonna go to my kids, prepare the stuff, and just gonna relax because things are happening for me. Lord, thank you. Thank you to you guys. Dahil kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ko ma-realize agad-agad. You know? Yeah, that's it. So, bye guys. Thank you so much for listening to me and making space for me like this. I love you all. See you soon.